In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link color in Framer. If you want your links to match your brand and be easy to spot, changing their color is one of the quickest wins. I'll walk you through it from inside a Framer project, and we'll publish the change so you can see it live. Start by opening your project in Framer. On the canvas or in the Layers panel, select the link you want to restyle. Make sure you've actually selected the link text or the component that contains that link so the correct options appear in the right sidebar. With the link selected, look to the right sidebar and open the Style panel. This is where text, color, and component styles are managed. Find the link style entry that's applied to your selection and click it to see its details. If you're working with a shared text style or a tokenized color, you'll see its current color swatch and name here. Click Edit to adjust the style. You should now see the color controls for the link. If the link currently uses a color token or a hex value, click the color swatch to open the color picker. You can choose a new color in a few ways. Drag inside the large color area to set saturation and brightness, use the hue slider to find the right family of color, and adjust the opacity slider if you need transparency. If you prefer numbers, switch the color model to RGB to type exact values, or paste a hex code directly. Framer applies changes in real time to your selected link, so you can evaluate contrast and readability as you go. A quick tip on accessibility. Aim for strong contrast between your link color and the background. High contrast improves legibility and helps users identify interactive text at a glance. If your design includes different link states, such as hover or visited, keep them visually related while ensuring the default state is distinct enough to stand out. Once you're happy with the color, close the picker. The link style now reflects your update, and any element using that style will inherit the new color automatically, which keeps your design consistent. To make it live, click Publish in the top right corner. In the Publish dialog, choose Update to push the changes to your site. When publishing finishes, open your site and check a page with links to confirm the new color looks great across backgrounds and devices. That's it. You've updated your link color in Framer, kept it consistent via